Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ngasi video asi topic ase akoina karamba food charaga koi healthy fat fangani plus ngasi video asiga ai ma'am da good fat amagi unboxing video asu ma'am da share tawjage ma'am video soidon last pem view amasung ai channel subscribe to view ma'am na channel subscribe to bataraga di aina health and fitness related video upload tawpaga ma'am su yengbo fangani amasung ma'am na ai video share to bataraga di kana ko manatra kana ko be amazum da leilena health amasung fitness related video yengning natraga fat loss natraga muscle gain tawning bataraga moi uda yam kana wa fangani adui damakta ma'am subscribe and share to ko wiganu akoina muscle gain natra fat loss any goal follow to matamda fat su yam mathau tai adudi protein carbs mathau ta badamaina akoi daily basis to fat su yam mathau tai adubu fat so there are different type of fats amana good fat yam easy in high bada goods amasung bad fat ina hijikta haijagi wa bad fat amasung good fat bad fat siga anamana cake cookies adudi sugar yam content oiba amasung atopa etc kaya sing se akoi aksang siga bad cholesterol set increase wali amasung good cholesterol se decrease wali aduga good fat siga akoi nuts almond peanuts yung wasina koi aksang siga good cholesterol se increase wali adu bad cholesterol se akoi decrease wali adu gidamakta akoi fat chaba taraga su karamana good fat no karamana bad fat no atu khangba yam matautai mamang dai na ja kiba good fat ki unboxing ama ai myam nga share tawjani haibado amba unbox tawasi du matang ai magi nutritional fact amasung asisina hoi aksan kari kana le aduga si products leiba matam da kari kari yeng matau tai aduga market da leiba taraga su kari nutritional fact akoi yamuna jeng matau tai aduga online da leiba taraga su kari kari yeng matau tai adu video ki last soidan share tawjage magi box se content hoise my visiting card adudi my fitness peanut butter si owner se Sahil khani adudi Bollywood actor amasung fitness icon amani mayona peanut butter consume to matamda healthy fat natana high in protein high in fibers amasung vitamins and minerals sing present oil aduga any product ama consume to matamda magi recommend doses amale adu so myam da soina share tawjage aduri magi daily no mada ko consume to doise 2 tablespoon aduri fat loss oigera muscle gain oigera animaki goal na ko 2 tablespoon no mada ko consume to bayagani ma'am I need haijagi adudi magi no magi recommend doses 2 tablespoon ne adudi weight gain matamda 2 tablespoon ma'am sina yagani aduga fat loss matamda ko 1 spoon na to 1.5 spoon sina view 2 tablespoon na present way say 160 calories approximately protein 7 gram carbs 10 gram fats good fats 14 gram asising se ma'am 2 spoon na present oigani aduga ma'am fat loss matam the 1 natraga 1.5 spoon the use to view adudi my calories and present oibni nai ma'am da 2 spoon use to ning de adui damak ta ma'am ai use to the ma'am da share to jabani adu ma'am unboxing matam se ma'am any khangning budare su please comment to biro am easily ma'am na good fat consume to ning bataraga this is na best option ni koina peanut butter slay matam da ahamba any online de oigera offline de oigera akoi ahamba yeng do se magi nutrition amasung ma se semak matam da kari kari yawi aduri additional oiba sugar salt natraga oil present oibra oidabra asise yang yeng mathau tai adudi any company ki oi peanut butter chaba taraga su akoi yam mathau tai se ma seng patam da kari kari yawi kaim additional oidaba peanut butter to ma'am lebiu use to mong do ma'am da haijage adudi fat loss matam da 1 tablespoon use to wi aduga muscle gain matam da 2 spoon use to wi sumaina ma'am nongmagi my recommend doses to cross to biganu aduga ma'am fangning iba result soida ubo fangani adu ma'am video soida share to view aduga ngasi video se ma'am any khangau da leiraga su please comment to biramo aduga I channel subscribe amasung share to ko biganu adongi friend amasung collector thank you